Good morning, I am Nalsajin Mandani from grade 11 STEM Empirical. To construct the table for the sampling distribution of the sample means, we need to determine the number of possible samples by using the formula NCN. Thus, we have obtained a total of 6 possible samples. After that, we will list down the possible samples and their corresponding means. To solve for their mean, we need to add the 2 possible number and divide it by 2. Since we have obtained the sample means, we can proceed on constructing the sampling distribution of the sample means. The table shows the sample mean. Its frequency, or the number of times the value of the sample mean appears, and its probability, which is the frequency of the sample mean over the total number of samples, which is 6. The table shown indicates a frequency of 6 and a probability of 1. Now that we have constructed the table of the sampling distribution of the sample means, we can now proceed on solving for its mean of the sampling distribution of the sample means. In doing so, we must construct a table that shows the sample mean, its probability and mean, which was obtained by multiplying the sample mean and its corresponding probability. The results obtained will be added all together. Thus, we have obtained a total of 55.23. Since we have obtained the total, we can now substitute this value to the equation. So, the mean of the sampling distribution is 55.23. After that, we will compute the variance of the sampling distribution of the sample means. In doing so, the following steps must be done. Create a table that includes the sample mean and its probability. Then, the distribution mean, which is 55.23, will be subtracted from each sample mean, which is shown on the third column. After obtaining the values, square the difference, which is shown on the fourth column, and multiply the results by the corresponding probability, which is shown on the fifth column. Lastly, add the results. We have obtained a total of 117.69. We will substitute this value on the given equation. So the variance of the sampling distribution is 117.69. So, the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample means is 55.23. For the variance of the sampling distribution of the sample means is 117.69. That's all. Thank you.